Hi everybody, this is AutoTecPro. Today we're installing 2014 Audi A5. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the system and the feature that come with this system. Let's start from the hardware specification of the system first. This system comes with the 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage memory. It also comes with Qualcomm Snapdragon chipset. That means it also supports the 4G LTE. It comes with the octa-core CPU. What does that mean by 4G LTE? That means if you have an extra SIM card, you can insert to the unit and then you can access to the internet anywhere without connecting to a Wi-Fi hotspot. And this one also supports the wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as well. This one is fully compatible with the original command button. You can see that. You can use the original command knob to control the menu. The screen resolution of the screen is 1970 by 720 high definition screen. Normally it's only 1280 by 480, but this one is the upgrade version. So it comes with the 1970 by 720 high definition screen. It also fully compatible with the original AMI interface, original menu. Everything is fully compatible here, and you can also use the original camera too. Perfect. This is actually, you can install any of the application to the system, like Google Maps, YouTube, Netflix, Spotify, Waze. We will also preload some of the software for you first, okay? So basically, let's talk about how to use the system first. This system comes with the built-in navigation. It's full touchscreen. You can access to the navigation without connecting to any Wi-Fi because this one comes with the offline GPS. How to use the GPS? Just click on the bottom right corner here. New road. We also provide worldwide map, depends on your country. And then address right here, and then you can enter the address right here. This one also comes with the traffic update, so you will also show you the traffic information from here. Pull down a little bit, and then you can go back to the main menu. If your car is A4, you can change the logo here. They also come with the dashboard here. You can also, it will support the RPM, speed, and you can also change the color here. Depends on your personal preference. And now I'm going to show you some of the applications that come with the system. First of all, it comes the newest version of the Google Map. This is the newest version of the Google Map. That means you can download the map data to the unit and you can use the Google Map without connecting to the Wi-Fi. How to do that? Just click on this icon here. Oh, this is voice control. The icon here, and then you can see offline map. And then you can log into your Gmail account, and then you can download the map data to the system as well. Other than that, you can also watch the YouTube here. This car comes with the B&O sound system, Bang & Olufsen, so it's fully compatible as well. Even your car does not come with the Bang & Olufsen, it will be fine. We'll also provide with the auxiliary noise filter. That one will significantly increase the sound quality of the system. You can see that's very smooth. Other than that, you can also watch the Netflix here. Of course, not for you, it's for the passenger. It's very smooth and very fast. You can also watch the Netflix here. You can also download the video to the USB. It comes with 2 USB and we run that to the glow box. You can wait here. The screen resolution actually is very high. It's 1970 by 720. It's very, very nice. And you can also come with the wireless Apple CarPlay. I will show you how to use the wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto on this system. They also come with the internet browser here. One thing I would like to mention is this kind of system, they don't come with a built-in amplifier. How they work is they go through the original system and then connect to the original car sound system, like the amplifier and the speaker as well. So in the package, you will provide with one of the AMI interface, the auxiliary AMI. So it's gonna be right here. It's gonna be right over there. Every time you need to change the car to AUX mode, some of the people, they will worry about if there's a noise from the auxiliary channel. Actually, this system comes with the noise filter, so you will filter out all the electric current noise, so the sound is going to be very clean and clear. Let's try it. Sorry, how we have to nice, okay? Even the subwoofer, even the bass is very nice, okay? So, all right. I'm gonna show you how to connect to the wireless Apple CarPlay on this system. First of all, you also support the Android Auto as well for this model. First of all, bring out your iPhone and then go to Bluetooth and then search the Bluetooth device, which means GOC SDK. Okay, connect to the unit and then enter the password. Perfect. And then you can just go to the apps, setting. For the first time, it's wireless. You do not need to connect any Wi-Fi to the system, okay? But for the first time, it might take a while to pair with the system. But every time when you get into the car, it's gonna be automatic and it's gonna be instant. Perfect, and then you need to grant the authorization on the phone. Perfect. This is wireless Apple CarPlay that come with the system. Okay, as you can see, you can use any all the stuff here, and then you will support the WhatsApp message, Waze, all the software that you install on your phone. You will also support most of the application as well. You can also check the message here too. Let's listen to the music and see. Okay, perfect. If you want to go back, then just click on car and then it will bring you back to the original menu. I'm gonna show you some of the setting about the system first, okay? Go to setting. If you want to connect to the Wi-Fi, then you can just pull down a little bit and then hold this one, and then you can turn on the Wi-Fi over there. But just keep that in mind, when you use the wireless Apple CarPlay, you cannot use the Wi-Fi hotspot at the same time, because wireless Apple CarPlay, they use the Bluetooth to pair at the beginning, but once they get paired, they will switch to the Wi-Fi channel to transfer the data. So at the same time, you cannot use the wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless hotspot at the same time. And wireless Apple CarPlay, they won't provide with the YouTube feature. Okay, just keep that in mind. Okay, if you want to change the car logo to A4, then you can go to here, factory 1314, enter the password here. You do not need to change anything here, just go to vehicle and then you will provide you a couple of options here. If your car comes with the original camera, then you can go here, system, camera selection, then you can go to OEM camera. If you install the aftermarket camera, then you can go to aftermarket camera here. You can also increase the brightness here. It's very nice. And it's very clear and very bright of the screen. This system can be purchased from our website, www.AutoTecPro.com. If you guys have any question about the system, please contact us, AutoTecPro. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.